they don't kill, and they don't commit zina. You know what that tells us? One of the benefits of that, other than context, is that these are equally offensive crimes to Allah. After shirk, he said they don't put any partners besides Allah, then they are interchangeable. Because one kills the body and the other kills the soul. They're both murder. One spiritual murder. Zina is a spiritual form of murder. And Allah wants us to maintain ourselves physically and spiritually. وَمَنْ يَفْعَلْ ذَلِكَ يَلْقَى أَثَامًا. And whoever has done that has come face to face or has met with a really serious sin. Ithm, actually in Arabic means a fault. To do less than what was expected or be short of doing the right thing. So they have really made a large mistake if they've done any of that. يُضَاعَفْ لَهُ الْعَذَابُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ. The punishment is going to be doubled for that type of person on the day of resurrection. It'll be multiplied for them. Some have used this ayah to say, and I agree with that assumption, if the punishment will be multiplied on Judgment Day, it means it was already there before Judgment Day. Then it was multiplied on Judgment Day. You see the implication? The punishment has been multiplied on Judgment Day, which means it was already in existence without being multiplied. So it alludes to the punishment of the grave. It alludes to the punishment of the grave that is then multiplied on Judgment Day. وَيَخْلُدْ فِيهِ مُهَانًا. And he will remain in it humiliated. Muhan is from muhin. Muhin, humiliator. Muhan, the one who has been humiliated. And the question that arises, why is it doubled? Why are these people's punishments doubled? Because Allah Azza wa Jal says, number one, the crime is that of shirk. These people already knew Allah. And then they committed a crime against Allah, and then they committed a crime against another human being. So it's doubled on them. يُضَاعَفْ لَهُ الْعَذَابُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ وَيَخْلُدْ فِيهِ مُهَانًا إِلَّا مَنْ تَابَ وَآمَنَ وَعَمِلَ عَمَلًا صَالِحًا. This is one of the most amazing ayat of forgiveness in the Qur'an. Except for the one who repented to Allah, turned back to Allah. What's the crime that's been mentioned? Shirk. What else? Murder. Zina. Zina, murder. 3 crimes have been mentioned. I don't know. These are pretty high crimes. It's not a small kind of thing. And Allah says, even from those people, if somebody makes tawbah, وَآمَنَ, and comes back to iman, well, now we're learning, when you make tawbah, it's like you became Muslim all over again. And when you become Muslim all over again, what do you tell a person that just became Muslim? Clean slate. So it's like he brought iman again. And now that he brought iman again, he's started his life over. You know how I say born again, right? He's a born again Muslim. Clean as he was when he was first born. وَعَمِلَ عَمَلًا صَالِحًا. Now that he revived himself, now he corrected his way, he straightened out, he did the right thing. وَعَمِلَ عَمَلًا صَالِحًا. And he did whatever he did, every time he did an action, it was a good action. He changed his behavior, this person. There was a 3-step process. He made tawbah, he revived his faith, he came back to Islam again, and then, as a result, from now on, he's going to behave properly. If that can be done, then here's what Allah will do. فَأُولَٰئِكَ يُبَدِّلُ اللَّهُ سَيِّئَاتِهِمْ حَسَنَاتٍ. Then those people, Allah will replace their ugly sins, sayyi'ah, ugly, evil sins, with good deeds.